Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome all on behalf of IMT Group of Colleges. IMT Group of Colleges running under the able leadership of our Honorable MD Sir, Shri Mayank Agarwal. He is guiding and inspiring to organizing today's session. Well, today we have an experienced personality, Professor Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya, at this platform. We welcome to our speaker on behalf of ED Cell of IMT College of Pharmacy. Before starting the session, I would like to describe few achievements and currently working of Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya. Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya is a Deputy Director of IMT College of Pharmacy, Greater Noida, as well as he is Head of R&D and Chairman of ED Cell. He is having 16 years of experience in teaching, administration, and research areas. He is having one patent on herbal nanoparticles, and many more are in on platform. He has authorized book and he is also author of book chapters in elsewhere publications and various and numerous publications in national and international journals. Well, he has delivered keynotes lectures also. So, on behalf of EDCL of IMT College of Pharmacy, I would like to welcome Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya to continue the session. Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mr. Lalit Rana, Assistant Professor of IMT College of Pharmacy, Greater Noida. Thank you very much for the beautiful description of myself in this YouTube platform on today. And today, actually, we are the largest institution in Greater Noida in NCR region. We are having diploma, degree, and master's program in the College of Pharmacy under the leadership and flagship of our Honorable MD Sir, Dr. Mayank Agarwalji, and our Honorable Director, Dr. Mallikarjuna BP Sir. I'm also thankful to the Research and Development Cell of IMT College of Engineering, along with my sincere and deep gratitude to Honorable Director General Sir of IMT Group of Colleges and directors and deputy directors of other associated colleges under the flagship of IMT Group of Colleges, Greater Noida. We all know that today's the session is Entrepreneurship Awareness Program. And definitely it is associated with the Entrepreneurship Development Cell. So we all are basically excel in our lives as an academician. When I started my academic journey in 2004, and till date, I'm actively involved in teaching, administration, and research. Now, once we are talking about the term research, we always having some curiosity about this particular terminology, research and development. Because research is the first word, development is the second word. So automatically, research and development, R&D, it is a big term actually. We all are associated somehow in our life, in our professional life, as a part of our R&D team of the college where we are working, or we have worked, or we are going to work. Now, once we are talking about the research and development, this research and development is having broader sense. We can count Entrepreneurship Development Cell, we can count IIC activities, we can count MSME cell, we can count on formulation development in our master's degree and diploma laboratories. Our ultimate aim is to contribute at the highest level of the society so that each and individual people of our society can take the advantages of our innovations. Now, once we are talking about the entrepreneurship, frankly speaking, before joining to this institute, I didn't have that much idea about the entrepreneurship. But once I joined and at regular interactions of other R&D members of our group of colleges, I have definitely polished my mind in such a way. Now, today, we have become the successful entrepreneur in the campus IIMT College of Pharmacy. We have started our own startups. And I'm really thankful to our Honorable MD Sir, Dr. Mayank Agrawal ji, and our Director, Dr. Mallikarjuna BP ji, for their support, encouragement, and providing the platform. Now, once we are talking about this particular entrepreneurship, entrepreneur, anybody can understand that something should start of his own in the field of the domain he has chosen. We are from pharma field, so definitely our target areas are pharma sectors, whether it is pharmacovigilance, whether it is clinical data management, whether it is normal research and development like formulation development, novel drug delivery systems, or during this corona pandemic situations, formulation development of sanitizers or like sanitizer gels, some tablet formulations containing remdesivir as an active pharmaceutical ingredients. And we have seen, starting from 2020 to till date and time, so many youngsters have introduced their entrepreneurship skills in the form of startups. And they have registered their companies in Startup India. Ministry of Corporate Affairs have played a pivotal role to support these startups. Now, once we are again coming to the original one, entrepreneurship. Who can become the entrepreneur? First, we have to understand. Any person who is having some novel ideas in their minds, whether it may be a product, it may be a molecule, it may be a process. And once the novel ideas are showing some uniqueness, definitely that time we will see that that product can be launched into the market, and somebody has taken the initiatives to launch that product into the market. It means that entrepreneurship, individuals' capabilities, with individuals' courage, individuals' knowledge, individuals' potential, individuals' market, and so many times we have seen that entrepreneurship development cell. Why we have established this entrepreneurship development cell in IIMT College of Pharmacy. We are having diploma students, we are having degree students, and we are having MPharm students. Now, if we talk about the diploma students' future perspectives, we don't know whether they will go for the higher studies, means they will enroll their candidature in degree, or they will start their own shops, or they will engage themselves in hospital and clinical pharmacy jobs, or they will just simply get absorbed in IT and healthcare related industries like data care management professionals like. Now, if the diploma student is having some uniqueness in his mind or in her mind, what he will do or what she will do, she will start his own business into the periphery. He likes to survive or she likes to survive. Means the entrepreneur skills that is being augmented in his mind or in her mind during his study period at IIMT College of Pharmacy. Being the faculty members, IIMT College of Pharmacy, we all know that we are having very talented and experienced faculty members in diploma, degree, and master's program. Most of them are having PhD degrees. So you can understand that their guiding potential is enormous. Now, these faculty members, once shaping up the young minds of diploma pharmacy students, and once they have started their initial venture in their periphery, they will become the successful entrepreneur because they have converted their concept into the products. And that is the first aim of our entrepreneurship cell development, that to train the young minds of our college so that they can start their own, they can think their own, they can definitely perceive some ideas of their own, which can definitely build up his future in the right direction. We all know during 2020, when novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, attacked our country, lot of the people, lot of the youngsters have lost their jobs. Not only that, their salary is being reduced. And so many families I have personally seen that they are struggling for a glass of grain. You can understand that anything else, once we are talking about, we will see that these conditions have forced to start IIMT College of Pharmacy a special ED cell, entrepreneur development cell. Why? Because there is the urgency, there is the need to build the futures of our next generations. Now, if we shift from diploma to degree, degree is 4 years degree program in pharmaceutical science. In final year, particularly 7th semester and 8th semester, what we teach research methodologies, how a research should be carried out, how their brains can show some positive impact on the development of the society at large. We have seen that this degree students, 7th and 8th semester, they are doing their research works. They are carrying on their research works in our dedicated laboratories, wet and dry laboratories. And they are asking for the guidance. Our faculties are always there to support these young chaps. Why? Because we know that IIMT College of Pharmacy's ED cell is the best platform from where a student, prospective student, can perform at an excel speed. In last 2 years, we have seen that several students have conceptualized their ideas and discussed with the faculty members of our college. ED cell, Entrepreneurship Development Cell of our college, it has acted as a catalyst to make a bridge between the student who is bringing the ideas and making the faculties to keep him or her in another part of the bridge or another side of the bridge, so that a strong bond is being formed. What student is bringing and sharing with the faculty members are trying to give it the proper shape. That is the second prospect of Entrepreneurship Development Cell of IIMT College of Pharmacy. Third is the master's program. We are having the master's program in pharmaceutics. We are having a plan to start master's program in other subjects as per Pharmacy Council of India norms, as well as other statutory norms. Now, being the master students, what the expectation is from the faculty members? The students are coming, they are preparing the product, just going for the novel method preparation for the development of a product or for the development of a molecule or for some process. And they are asking our faculty members, sir, how my concept can be patented? How my concept can be copyrighted? How my concept can show some degree of trademarks? How my concept can be given to MSME for funding? So these are the subsequent approaches of Entrepreneurship Development Cell of the college. If we are talking about the IP means intellectual properties. Now, IP, all we know that mostly in India, we are going for the process patents. Even though some of the inventors have already filed the product patents also. But most of the time, we have seen that a process. Now, if we say that one nanoparticles is being prepared, say, for example, by microemulsion cross-linking techniques, or we can use glutaraldehyde as a cross-linker, and one M.Pharm student has come and approached the faculty members as well as the ED cell members also, because they are the senior faculty members. What the ED cell will do? ED cell will guide the student. Yes, I do agree with your proposal. Only the thing is, if you use the glutaraldehyde as a cross-linking agent or cross-linker, maybe there will be some issue of toxicity. But if you use some bio-cross-linker in place of glutaraldehyde, definitely the toxicity effect will be reduced and almost it will attain null, means nil. No toxicity will be there. So you can see that the concept has been brought up by the students and the faculty members have shared his views or his ideas with the students. And Entrepreneurship Development Cell has formed the bridge, has formed the covalent bond, ionic bond, and coordinate bonds with the students, because students are the building blocks of the college. And this particular concept, if the students have adopted in their research program, they're using bio-cross-linker, so automatically somehow there is some difference in the process. So that product, whatever the product, whether it is having anti-cancer potential, whether it is anti-diabetic potential, whether it is anti-epileptic potential, whatever it is, that process can be patented. And that is the start of the success stories of entrepreneurship development cell of the IIMT College of Pharmacy. It means that students have started their concepts into the product. Definitely, we all know that there are some modifications required, and we are ready to help moral, technical, and laboratory support to our beloved students. Not only for our college students, those who are interested, our group of colleges, like IMT College of Engineering, IMT College of Law, IMT College of Polytechnic, IMT College of Science and Technology. If the students are coming with their concept, IMT College of Pharmacy, their ADCL department is always in a position to welcome all the students, because we always think that this our periphery is so large, and today if we have extend our helping hands, in future definitely in return we will get some positive things from our students. Now, second is copyright and trademark. Now, that is another prospect of ED cells, entrepreneurship development cell. Suppose some student have developed one new word, say for example, that herbal, diabeto herbal nanoparticles. It is a new concept. We know that several compounds are available in the market. But how many compounds are converted into the nanoparticles and trial for anti-diabetic activity? In India, if you ask 10 patients, out of 10 patients, 8 patients will say you that he is diabetic. Means his blood sugar level, fasting blood sugar level, postprandial blood sugar level, and HbA1c, means glycosylated hemoglobins, are more than the normal stated values. Say for example, somebody's HbA1c value is 8. He is glycemic because it is 3 months statement. Now, some student of our college is working on anti-diabetic compound. Any compound, any herbal compound, any synthetic compound, like teneligliptin, metformin, pioglitazone, voglibos, any compound. And students are sharing their ideas. What the entrepreneurship development cell will say, that you develop, or if you have conceptualized this product, you do it, you take the trademark or copyright of this terminology, so that nobody can use or nobody can take the credit of your work. That is the aim of the entrepreneurship development cell of the college. We are here to guide the students up to the highest level so that they can prosper during these COVID-19 pandemic situations. Similarly, if we are talking about that somebody is having cancer, and say for example blood cancer, and some student has told me, sir, iron concentration plays a big role in hepatocarcinoma. So definitely it is used as the bioindicator for cancer detection. Now the student has brought the concept of cobalt. Iron is replaced with the cobalt or nickel. That their concentration also plays a very vital role in the development of hepatocarcinoma. Students approach their faculty members or their mentors or their guides or their supervisors, whatever you can call it. And that faculty member's task is to bring their student to the entrepreneur development cell. And now student and teacher both will prepare a presentation and they will deliver a lecture on their concept before the entrepreneur development cell of IIMT College of Pharmacy. Now, why they will present? Because so many people comes with numerous concepts, but we all know that pipelines are fixed. We can put 100 compounds, we can put 1,000 compounds, but ultimately one or two compounds will reach up to the end mark. So their task is to share their concept with the AD cells. And AD cell will see the compliance and feasibility, whether their products or their projects are viable or not. If the products or projects or process is viable, is practically feasible, so definitely what we will do as a ADCell member or as myself as ADCell chairman, we will say that, okay, you submit right now the hard copy. And we will submit your hard copy to the head research R&D along with copy to the Director General, sir, as well as our Honorable Director, sir. And ultimately, once they have reviewed that paper related to process or product, we will present this paper before our Honorable MD, sir, for taking the final green signal. So you can understand that from top to bottom, everybody is here to support our students. Everybody has come with their concepts, has come with their ideas, has come with their futures. So we can understand that definitely once we are talking about anything else, any molecules, even if we see that in India, quantitative structure activity relationship, MPharm students of all the colleges across the country, they are well connected with this term QSAR. But once we are talking about some modifications, QSPR, quantitative structure property relationship, or pharmacokinetic pharmacodynamic modeling, or biological activity evaluations of unknown floras and faunas, we will see, being the EDSL, that these are the concepts brought up by our students, and we have to give them a proper bench so that they can start their own, they can start their ideas, they can start their thinkings, they can start their future directions. So this is the basic purpose of entrepreneurship cell development in IIMT College of Pharmacy. Now, I have talked much about the students, but I have not started about our beloved faculty members. We are having almost 20 faculty members, 20 plus. Most of them are specialists in pharmaceutics, pharmacochemistry, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, pharmaceutics. We are having the experience, scientifically inclined, highly talented PhD holders, faculty members. Our director, sir, Dr. Mallikarjunaji, he is specialized in pharmacochemistry. Myself is specialized in pharmaceutics along with Dr. Vivek Chauhan. His basically working areas are numerous types, like mainly Ayurvedic formulation development. My working areas are nanoparticles, nanomedicines, biomaterials development. Dr. Puspender Jain ji is there. He is the Dean, Students Welfare Department. and his working areas are herbal drugs, herbal products development, analytical method development. Now, so many students have registered their names in PhD programs under different UGC approved Indian universities. Now, what they can get the benefit from our ED sale. Now, once we are talking about the benefit in the terms of the knowledge, in the terms of the laboratory equipments providence. Third one is the product development. Because these young faculty members, if we talk about, we will see they are having enormous potentials and they are constantly working on different aspects of pharmaceutical sciences and technology, along with biotech fields. It means their minds are also moving in the highly right direction and approaches. It means that definitely they are thinking to do something new, their own. Because we all know PhD work, even when we were the students of our PhD work, that time we took the support from the AD cells of different Indian colleges and universities like IITs, NITs, like that. Now we have established our own entrepreneurship development cell in our college. So why not our beloved faculty members will take the advantages of our ED cell? I personally welcome all the faculty members who have registered their names in PhDs. Please come forward and share your fundamentals. I'm not talking about to share or disclose about your inventions, but definitely some of the process, if you share with us, definitely we can also give you some positive output in your product development or in your process development. It means that once we are talking about the entrepreneurship development cell, faculties, young faculties or newly recruited faculties or the already PhD enrollment has been finished and they are right now in the first or second year of their PhD studies, they are most welcome to start their work in our laboratory, entrepreneurship development cell, if they find that something new can come out, because PhD work is automatically the novel work. So if something new has come out or surface out as a result of their work in our laboratory, ED cell is very eager to help you. Now this is all about, we are talking about our pharmacy faculties. Now we are having the law faculties, we are having the engineering faculties, we are having the science and technology faculties. And if you see that pharmacy is having multi-directional benefits. If you talk about the IT, nowadays most of the IT companies are recruiting B firms and M firms for clinical data management, for clinical data software development, for pharmacovigilance. Means they are right now showing highest degree of interest towards pharma professionals. They are really keen to utilize the young brains of pharmacy graduates and postgraduates. Entrepreneurship development cell can definitely push these young brains towards the IT sectors through training and placement offices. Mr. Rajiv Malhotra ji is our training and placement officer, and he is doing at his best to put the students in good companies, and already our students have got good employment offers from very good pharmaceutical industries and houses. Now, here is another tie-up of ED sale with TPO. Means if somebody, even after working with an IT industry for 2 to 3 years, and if he or she is interested to develop new softwares, through TPO, Entrepreneur Development Cell will collect his data and will support the platform, because IIMT colleges, College of Pharmacy, along with other colleges, we are planning to start our incubation cell in the campus 2 of Greater Noida. What are the benefits of campus 2? It is totally innovation-based sales where startups, industry experts, faculty members, student entrepreneurs will come and sit together and they will flourish their business using IIMT platform. Who will be the catalyst? EDCell will be the catalyst. EDCell will act as a bridge between the entrepreneurs, either present or future, or they will definitely show some degrees of extending helping hands to these young entrepreneurs. And they will definitely say, EDCell members will say that yes, you develop your product, we are behind you. So these all the prospects of ED sales, these all are the benefits of the development of Entrepreneur Development Cell in IIMT College of Pharmacy. We all know right now, if we look at the websites of standard pharmacy colleges, like IIMT College of Pharmacy or XYZ, we will see that we mention that several R&D works are going on. And within next 2 to 3 years, this IIMT College of Pharmacy, along with IIMT group of colleges, will be totally R&D based institution. In Delhi, already Delhi Skills University, Entrepreneurship Development Skills University has been started up. It means lots of the people are right now thinking to start their future on their own feet. They are thinking that if they have something new or if they have something in their hands, they will definitely sustain in the market for the longer period of time because their products are unique. The vision of our Honorable MD sir is that IIMT group of colleges will be the R&D based institution. And being the EDCell chairman, myself, I can assure that IIMT College of Pharmacy will be definitely #1 R&D based institution, not only in NCR region, but in whole Uttar Pradesh. At regular intervals, our research and development works are published in leading newspapers. And EDCells are the initiators to publish all these things. Means you are working on and you are also getting appreciation. Who are taking the responsibility? EDCell. In the last year, several students have submitted proposals. They want to work, they want to prosper in lives. And some of the projects are approved by the EDCells of the college so that they can come forward. They can definitely take the bold step to select their future. because our young generation is right now our building blocks of our society. Even recently in 2020, National Education Policy is being published by Government of India. And there is clearly being stated that entrepreneurship development cell should play an integral role in the education of the upcoming students in technical, non-technical, or any normal streams, starting from 10th to post-graduation and PhD levels. Why? Because in India, potentials are there, but they are not actually being utilized or capitalized. Entrepreneurship development cell's main aim is to bring this talent to the surface so that the world can recognize their talent at the highest levels. If we will see that whatever the resources are available in the market, right now we are thinking about that this particular entrepreneurship development cell is being designed for the students of diploma, degree, masters, of all the colleges under the flagship of IMT group of colleges. Once again, I'm repeating this sentence, that please come forward, share your ideas, share your things. If you think that you are having novelty in works, we are here to assist you. We are here to provide you the platform. We are here to support you like anything. So these are the important considerations of the very important entrepreneurship development cell. And this awareness should be created from the lower level to the upper level, from the medium level to the highest level, from the highest level to the super highest level. Why? Because everybody is thinking in this world that today's my future is secured, but on tomorrow, if corona waves are going on, my future will not be secured. And I have to start something new. I have to start of my own. How I can start? Who will provide me the platform? Who will support me? Entrepreneur answer is big one. Entrepreneurship development cell of IIMT College of Pharmacy. Wherever we will go, if you think that we are talking about this IIMT College of Pharmacy's edition, in the next years, we will see that it will flourish more and more. Already we have filed the patents, we are working on the copyrights, we are working on the trademarks, we are working on the higher study records, we are working on the student participations in the conference. Because, conference, webinars, now virtual conference, we all are talking about. If you attend, you will see that at least 5 to 10% new ideas will definitely strike in your minds. And that ideas you have to just prepare, you have to cultivate, like the plant tissue culture. Initially, the simple part of the plant, and after 14 to 30 days, full-fledged plant. That is the aim of the entrepreneurship development cell, that today we are small, but after 2 to 3 years, it will be a mega tree mega botanical, who will provide the big umbrella to the students of the colleges under IIMT group of colleges Greater Noida. So this is our basic thinking towards the development of entrepreneurship development cell. I have taken the realistic approaches, real problems, real solutions, and I'm sure that my beloved faculty members, my beloved students of diploma, degree, masters, not only of our college, of our nearby colleges, they can help, they can come, and they can definitely prosper their future in coming days. So this is all about the minds behind the entrepreneurship awareness cell development. Now I request Mr. Lalit Rana, Assistant Professor, to please, if you have any queries, please raise the questions so that I can answer it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Sarthak, sir, Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya, sir, for the very kind and interesting session. I hope all the faculty members and students have understood about what is startup and how startup should be done and where and which are the fields in pharmacy sector, how they can develop, how they can perform, how they can overcome while giving a startup an idea through our AD cell, through AD cell of IMT College of Pharmacy. I hope all of them have understand, and well, including me and my all faculty members and students, I am hoping for that they will come and they will give their proposal for new ideas, for new startups. Well, all the things are well described by you, sir. Once again, I would like to thank to all the members, all the students, all the participants, those who are watching today live, and learn about the startup, and hope they will get motivated. Definitely we will receive many ideas and we will implement on that and do something new so that we can highlight that idea, we can do patent, we can do copyright on that thing. Once again, thank you, Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya, sir, for your kind session. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Lalit Rana. Thank you to our Honorable MD, sir. Thank you to our Honorable Director, sir. And very special thanks to our Honorable Director General, sir, Honorable Director Research, and all the ADCL members of different group of colleges, different colleges under IMT group of colleges. It has given me the immense pleasure that today the main purpose of ADCL development, ADCL awareness program is being launched by IMT College of Pharmacy. I hope that within a year or two, this small piece of plant will become the full-fledged plant. This small start of ADCL awareness program will be converted into the mega ADCL, and it will be one of the most prestigious ADCL of the group of colleges under the flagship IMT Greater Noida. I'm very much sure that our students and our faculty members will appreciate our constant helps, our constant motivation, our constant ideology sharing to convert the product into the market, because market penetration plays a big role. And if you have the product, don't hesitate. Please approach our ED cell chairman or our honorable director, sir, or special director research, everybody. And we all are actually the very small people, and we all are working under the direction of our honorable MD sir and honorable DG sir. I'm very happy that MD sir and DG sir, both of them have the very bright future missions. And this EDCell awareness program will definitely enlighten your futures in coming days. So thank you very much. Myself, Dr. Sarthak Bhattacharya. Once again, I personally pay my best regards to our honorable MD sir, our honorable DG sir, and our honorable director sir, and my best wishes to our beloved faculty members and the students of all the courses. Thank you for watching this.